English speaking practice for beginners. Don't forget to turn on subtitles.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name?
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I'm from the United States. Do you live here?
Yes, I live here now.
Oh, that's great. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it. The city is big but very nice. Hello, can I see the menu, please?
Sure. Here is the menu.
Thank you. I would like a coffee and a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
Chicken sandwich, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It's $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Excuse me, where can I find bread?
The bread is in aisle 3.
Thank you. And where is the milk?
The milk is in the fridge section near the eggs.
Perfect. How much is this meal?
It's $2.50.
Okay, I'll take it.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Where is the bus station?
Go straight, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Is it far?
No, it's about 10 minutes on foot.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Hello, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I need some medicine for a headache.
Do you want tablets or syrup?
Tablets, please.
Here you are. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
$5.
Okay, here is the money.
Good morning. What's the problem?
I don't feel well. I have a sore throat and a fever.
How long have you been sick?
For 3 days.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Okay, I'll give you some medicine. Drink a lot of water and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
What's your name, please?
My name is Adam Lopez.
Yes. Here at Island 1, single room for 2 nights.
That's right.
Here is your key. Your room is on the 2nd floor.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
Perfect. Have a nice evening.
You too.
Hello. I think we are neighbors.
Oh, really? Where do you live?
I live in apartment 12.
Nice. I live in apartment 14, just next door.
Great. What's your name?
I'm Lisa. And you?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes?
Thank you. Do I pay the driver?
Yes, you pay when you get on the bus.
Okay, thanks a lot.
No problem.
Practice every day, you'll see results. See you tomorrow.